Hi everybody, today I will show restoration of erosion near transmission line existing foundation. That today I had inspected the tower number area to study the damage happened due to soil erosion by flowing of water. Following are my findings. 1. At wadi side the soil eroded from the two side damaging the embankment slope protection. This happened at both sides of the tower, see photo number 1 and 2, almost 6 mts from the tower. Foundation. Huge area is damaged. At wadi side, exactly at tower foundation bottom area soil eroded because of flowing water inside the wadi, which damaging soil and existing protection, see photo number 3. 4. It is noticed that opposite side of wadi 1 foundation has got only 2 mts soil protection by bund wall as shown in the attached photo no-4. Hence recommend to consider to increase soil protection at this area to meet SEC requirement, hence to protect any damage in future. Great initiative in using slope protection concrete and a gabion wall for the damage repair. These measures should significantly enhance the stability of the embankment and mitigate soil erosion issues. Regular monitoring and maintenance are recommended to ensure long-term effectiveness. If you have any further concerns or need additional advice, feel free to share. Corrective action taken against damage happens as eroded by using screed and gabion wall as shown in the video. I appreciate the detailed findings. Given the erosion-related damage to the transmission tower leg, addressing the issues at both sides of the tower is crucial. Prioritize repair and reinforcement of the embankment slope protection, especially the areas 6 meters from the tower foundation at the wadi side. Also, consider enhancing soil protection at the foundation bottom on the wadi side and increasing the soil protection on the opposite side to meet SEC requirements and prevent future damage. Swift action is recommended to ensure structural integrity.